In this module, we are going to talk about global poverty and inequalities. Poverty is referred to a social condition which is characterized by the absence of basic resources which are essential for the survival of individuals and meet a definite level of living standards which are mandatory for the place where they used to live. It is comprised of social, economic, and political elements. I explained it in another way in my previous modules that population explosion is happening in the developing world and industrial revolution is going on in the developed world. This is creating an imbalance because there are less economic resources in the developing world owing to that population explosion. So, poverty is more in the developing world, especially in Africa, is poverty ridden continent. According to the definition of World Bank, global poverty is the number of people worldwide who live on less than $1.90 a day. 10 years back, the definition of poverty was when people are living less than $1 a day, that was considered poverty. Today, this value has been increased from $1 to $1.90 a day. Still, I don't think so that it is a significant value for measuring poverty at any level. Global inequality is defined as the unequal distribution of resources among individuals and groups on the basis of their social positions. That I earlier mentioned that West is getting industrialized and especially South is having more population as compared to the West and having less economic resources. So those inequalities and poverty is happening owing to such imbalances. Causes of these, in inequalities and poverty. Limited capacity of the government, joblessness, lack of infrastructure, poor education system, limited access to food and clean water, lack of health facilities, lack of political will, exploitation of less developed countries. Obviously, if we have more population than our economic resources, or we have more corrupt, unfortunately, political elite, and they are depleting our economic resources and looting the money and investing in other countries, definitely it is going to make that country poor and the people would be in poverty. What are the impacts of this poverty and inequality? Health and social problems. There would be more diseases, lower economic growth, income inequality, exploitation of natural resources and labor, high illiteracy rate, increased dependence on the Western countries, minimum participation in international politics. When there is more poverty, more inequality, usually the intelligent people of the developing part of the world try to migrate from their native lands and try to find out better opportunities of life in the developed part of the world. This is how brain drain happens on a large scale. And unfortunately, the developed part of the world always welcome the skillful social capital and the expertise of those individuals who are intelligent, but stop the unskillful social capital from the same countries from where they welcome the skillful social capital. This is how this selective morality is really making a loss on the part of the developing world.